Morden. Machining. A saw machine is a powerful tool that can be used to cut mild steel materials. Here are some steps to follow when cutting material. With a saw machine, 1. Choose the right blade. The type of blade you use will depend on the thickness and type of material you are cutting. Make sure to choose a blade that is suitable for your application. 2. Set up the saw machine. Set up the saw machine according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure the blade is properly installed and tightened. 3. Adjust the cutting speed. Adjust the cutting speed based on the thickness and type of material you are cutting. Cutting too fast or too slow can damage the blade or the material. Remember, using a saw machine can be dangerous, so always wear appropriate safety gear such as eye protection and gloves, and follow all safety guidelines. Setting up a job on a CNC machine involves the following steps. 1. Choose the appropriate tool. Select the tool you need based on the type of material you are working with and the type of cut you want to make. 2. Install the tool. Install the selected tool in the appropriate spindle of the CNC machine. Make sure it is properly secured and tightened. 3. Load the material. Load the material onto the worktable of the CNC machine. Make sure it is properly secure and aligned to avoid any errors. 4. Create the program. Create the program for the CNC machine by using a CAM software program or by manually programming the machine. 5. Set the work off. 6. Load the program. Load the program into the CNC machine using a USB drive or other compatible device. 7. Run a test. Run a test on the CNC machine to ensure that everything is working correctly. Make any necessary adjustments before starting the actual job. 8. Start the job. Once you are satisfied. 9. Finish the job. Once the job is complete, remove the material from the worktable and clean the machine and the tooling as necessary. By following these steps, you can set up a job on a CNC machine and produce high-quality and precise cuts, milling, drilling, and engraving operations to make a groove with a 23-degree angle perfectly on a CNC machine. You can follow the below steps. 1. Choose the appropriate tool. Select the tool you need based on the type of material you are working with and the type of groove you want to make. For a 23-degree groove, you will need a V-shaped cutter or an end mill with a 23-degree angle tip. 2. Set the work offsets. Set the work offsets for the X, Y, and Z axes of the machine. This will define the starting point of the cut. 3. Create the program. Create the program for the CNC machine by using a CAM software program or by manually programming the machine. Make sure that the program inspect the groove. After the CNC machine has finished making the groove, inspect it carefully to ensure that it is the correct depth and angle. By following these steps, you can make a perfect 23-degree groove on a CNC machine. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and wear the appropriate. Thanks for watching. See you in the video. Take care and always be happy.